Hotstar is a popular streaming platform that offers a wide range of movies, TV shows, and live sports. However, if you are in Nepal and want to access Hotstar, you may encounter geo-restrictions that prevent you from watching your favorite content. One way to bypass these restrictions is by using a safe, smart DNS service from Aeroshield, link in the description. A smart DNS service works by rerouting your internet traffic through a server located in a different country, allowing you to access geo-blocked content. Aeroshield offers a secure and reliable smart DNS service that can help you watch Hotstar in Nepal without any hassle. To set up Aeroshield Smart DNS service, you will first need to sign up for an account and choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Once you have created an account, you will receive detailed instructions on how to configure your device to use the Smart DNS service. By following these instructions, you can easily watch Hotstar in Nepal and enjoy all the content it has to offer. With Aeroshield's Smart DNS service, you can access Hotstar safely and securely without worrying about geo-restrictions or privacy concerns. So why wait? Sign up for Aeroshield's Smart DNS service today and start watching Hotstar in Nepal hassle-free.